Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna be doing a quick market update here before I have to run to the airport. So I'm gonna be reviewing Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and the altcoins market in general a little bit. So Bitcoin is looking a little bit more neutral. It's still bullish because it's still in a very clear uptrend. I mean, the general direction is up since we've been having these highs here, that 3,000 top retracement, then 5,000 top and retest of the previous high, and then higher. We've been having healthy corrections and consolidations on the way, so it's still bullish. But the 6,600 level was a strong support before, and now it became resistance. As you can see here, when it bounced here at 5,400, it bounced hard, but it touched 6,600 and it retraced. So this is a very strong resistance level now, 6,600. Let's see if it can break it on the way up. I have no idea. The RSI just crossed bullish on the daily candles, so we could be pushing up. One positive thing is the volume. It continues to increase. The volume is increasing, which means there's a lot of trading volume here, so that's a good sign. It could be pushing up higher. I would favor more that's going to continue to push higher than not continue to correct. I think it's more by probability. It's more probable that it's going to continue to push higher and it's going to break the 6,600 level, and it's going to continue to push high, and it's going to break the all-time highs at some point. I would favor that more than not a big correction, but you never know. This bounce here that we're having right now could be a bull trap as well. So we're going to have to see if we can break this 6,600 mark. So yeah, this could be a bull trap, or it could be a bounce, like a reversal to continue higher. So it's not very clear. I would favor more the bullish movement than the bearish, but you never know. So be careful out there. This could be a bull trap as well. Then we have Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash went as high as 0.5 Bitcoin per Bitcoin Cash, and it had we had a lot of sales here, profit taking, and it pushed it all the way down to 0.15. So that's a huge dump, but now it's recovering, and this is it seems to me it's super bullish. I mean, this to me it's only the beginning. By probability, I think this week here it's going to get filled, and it's going to push higher, and it's going to go many times higher than this. The Bitcoin Cash chart looks super bullish to me, but remember that anything I say could be wrong, so be very careful out there, because I don't have a crystal ball. But I can only make an assessment of probabilities here. And by probability, this seems to me it was only the first wave, and this is going to continue pushing higher. It might take another week or two of consolidation, but I think eventually it's going to push higher and break the all-time highs by a lot here. So I'm super bullish on Bitcoin Cash right now. And then for the rest of the altcoins, we had this super pump here on Dash, and then we had a super dump here. So there's some of the altcoins are looking more bullish than before, but I would be very careful. I'm all about the path of least resistance. I would go only for the safest the safest bets, and to me the safest bets are Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash and BitConnect. I'm going to continue to say that until I see a change. Of course, I'm not going to be holding on to these three forever, but for now and for the past 1 month or month and a half, I see them as the safest ones. And I continue to see them as the safest ones. So yeah, I would be very careful with the altcoins. Nothing is really clear. There's no a defined trend here really. It's just sideways with big movements. Of course, if you can trade this, then go ahead and do it. I'm not doing it because I don't have the time these days, but if not, I would. But I would not buy and hold these things yet. Monero, it's I like Monero, but the volume the volume is not so great for the big price movement here. So you know, it's not signaling for a lot of strength here. It's like neutral. I don't know. I prefer to not put my money in things that look neutral or that look, you know. And this, by the way, here, if you see this candle here on Monero, this was back in August. This huge candle with this huge wick down here. It's looking like the one we see on Bitcoin Cash now, when we got that high and then a lot of rejection, but then eventually it consolidated, went up and down, and then finally broke out and it went higher. That's that's what I think is happening with Bitcoin Cash. It's still preparing to push much higher. So yeah, Monero still neutral. I mean, it's uptrending now, which is good. The price action is bullish, but the volume, it's not that great really for the big price movement. The RSI, it's overbought on the daily, so yeah, I wouldn't put my money here, but yeah. Ethereum, in the other hand, this is Ethereum versus Bitcoin. According to price action, this is bearish, okay? I've been saying it would probably bounce, touch moving average, and go back down, and that's exactly what's happening here. In the other hand, this huge spike of volume here is new. It wasn't here last time I made a video, so this is bullish. It could, the volume is increasing, which is bullish. It could happen that from here we start uptrending and go into a second bubble. I doubt it. I still don't think that's gonna happen. I still think this is gonna bounce off moving average and go lower and maybe consolidate. I think that was the bottom, but because this was the bottom, it doesn't mean it's gonna start uptrending. I think this could have been the lowest point to buy, but from here, by probability, it should be consolidating for some time, like for a long time before starting to go up again. That's what I think is going to happen. But this new huge volume that we're seeing here, it's signaling for a bullish movement. So maybe we could we could be going into a second bubble here. But again, by probability, I don't think that's gonna happen, but it might happen. So for Ethereum versus Bitcoin, I'm neutral, leaning to bearish. But yeah, this volume signals for a bullish movement, so we will have to wait and see. But again, I favor more the the bearish movement here and not the bullish. And then for BitConnect, if Bitcoin is going to do good, then by consequence, BitConnect is going to do good. So that's why I think Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and BitConnect are the safest bets right now. And of course, there's going to be other coins in the market. Among the 2,000 coins that we have, for sure, some of them are going to be doing good, but not that many. So it's too difficult to find this small percentage of coins that are going to be doing well. I mean, I'm too lazy to scan the whole market, 2,000 coins, to find, you know, 5 or 6 that are going to be doing good. So I prefer to stick with the safest ones: Bitcoin, BitConnect, and Bitcoin Cash. So guys, I have 70 people on my team now for BitConnect. As I always say, if you join my team and do a loan of any amount, let me know, send me an email letting me know your username here in BitConnect, and I will share with you my private videos. Sorry, because I haven't been checking my email for the past 2 days because I'm on the go, traveling a little bit. So don't worry, I'm gonna check my email. I'm gonna get back to everyone. Just be patient a little bit because yeah, we gotta run now to the airport, and I'm gonna be traveling for the next few days. So yeah, if you join my team and send me an email, just be patient because I'm gonna get back to everyone, but I just need a little bit of time here. Other than that, all good with BitConnect. I accumulated again almost 23 coins since my last review on this, just with the interest that I earned and the commissions. I still have $3,000 investment. I'm gonna continue to increase my investment here as soon as the price of the coin goes back up again. Probably if we get to around $300 per coin, I'm gonna be using some of the coins to do more loans so that I can get more interest and so on. So yeah, that was all for the quick update. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye.